Come one, come all, and don't despair. Your battle's almost won. By watching my short lessons here, you'll learn your training's fun. Right? Winky says yes. Hi, I'm Dr. Katie Bramlett, and this is Ear Training for All Musicians. In this video, we're going to continue with our previous discussion about pitch, so if you haven't seen the lesson on pitch, you might want to check that one out. The drill for today is going to be learning more about melodic contour, or listening to the shape or the directions of a melody. To begin practicing this, what I'll do is play very brief melodic examples, and what you need to do is draw a picture of what the melody sounds like. So, if the melody starts on one pitch, goes higher, and then lower, you would draw a shape that represents that melodic shape. If the melody goes higher and then lower and higher again, you might draw a zigzag shape. If the melody more gradually ascends and then comes back down again, you might draw more of an arch shape or a smoother shape. Ultimately, there could be more than one correct shape that you've drawn for the melody that you've heard. But as long as the shape goes up when the melody goes up and the shape goes down when the melody goes down, it's correct. I'll play 5 brief melodies. Each one I'll play twice, then pause for a moment before I show you a possible picture for that particular melody. Winky's bored again. Number 1. I'll draw a picture for the melody. Could look like this. The melody gently goes up and then gently back down. Number 2. Now draw your picture. What does the melody sound like? Here's a possibility for number 2. This melody goes up sharply and then back down sharply. It's not as gradual as number 1. Number 3. Draw a picture for this melody. Here's a picture for number 3. This one descends or goes down sharply and then comes back up, but not quite as far as where it started. Number 4. Draw a picture for this melody. Here's a possible picture for number 4. Right side up would be better. This one goes up, then back down, and then back up again. Number 5. last one. Draw a picture for this one. Here's the picture I do for number 5. It descends gently and then ascends more sharply. So we get this kind of stepping or scale type sound on the way down and then a skipping sound on the way up. And we'll talk more about those patterns in the future. How'd you do? Did your pictures look anything like mine? Remember, as long as the melody or the line was going up or down when the melody itself went up or down, then it's correct. So you can continue practicing this with friends by playing or singing melodies for each other and then drawing pictures of the melodies. Have fun. See you later.